Join me as I highlight one of our most versatile and portable large outdoor display systems, what Frontline calls the Memphis. If you haven't already, this is your chance to subscribe to our channel and never miss an update. We would love for you to share the knowledge. Send this to your coworkers, customers, and friends within the industry. Now, let's get to it. The Memphis is a large banner A-frame that features quick and easy assembly with a lightweight and strong aluminum frame that offers single or double-sided graphic viewing. Along with the frame, it comes with a carry bag, bungee hooks for easy graphic install, and ground pegs to secure to soft ground. In the 4-foot option, this sign is great for any business that's looking to attract and inform new and existing customers. Once assembled, the A-frame, at any available size, can be collapsed so it can be easily brought inside at closing time. This feature allows businesses with the available outdoor storefront space to be able to quickly display graphics and information on large banners for maximum visibility with little hassle at start and end of day. In the 8 and 12-foot options, the Memphis becomes a statement piece that's hard to miss. The hardware offers the height and stability to be effectively used as crowd barriers and wayfinders for pop-up events and large outdoor spaces. Did I mention easy to set up? Let us show you how it's done. Allison first collects the banner bungees and places them into her pocket for easy access later on. She then removes the components of the frame and lays them on the ground, strategically arranged with the A-shaped braces on either side and 2 connecting poles on the top and bottom. Assembly of the Memphis is quick and simple, using push-fit poles and has no need for additional tools. Pro tip: attach all 4 connecting poles to one A-shaped brace at a time. Starting at one side of the frame and working towards the other will make for easy setup, whether it is the small, medium, or large model. Standing the frame up on its side can help to attach the connecting poles to the second A-shaped brace. The larger 8-foot and 12-foot options are assembled the same, however have additional A-shaped braces to extend the product width. Once fully assembled, sit upright, open the A-frame, and secure the hinges to lock into an open position. When attaching the grommeted banner, friends are helpful, especially with the larger size frames. 2 bungees should be used on each corner grommet to attach the top and the side pole to the banner. Securing the corners of the banner to the frame first will help hold the banner in place to easily attach remaining bungees. The bungees are best attached by pulling the loop end through the back of the grommet, as the plastic hook will stop and allow you to easily apply the tension needed to loop the bungee around the frame. Connect the bungee loop to the plastic hook and adjust if necessary. As mentioned, it's best to start with the top corners, then the bottom corners, and lastly, any center grommets for additional tension. If you are using the frame on soft ground, the provided pegs can be used for additional support and stability. The Memphis large banner A-frame is a fantastic solution for any outdoor space that requires a large viewing area and easy setup and storage. It provides visual solutions for a wide variety of both permanent and pop-up businesses that require outdoor advertising and information sharing that can be easily changed and stored. Check us out at frontline-na.com for more information, to view our full product line, or contact us with any questions or inquiries. Bye, guys.